Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. This is a special short video, late breaking news. President Donald Trump in the United States has posted on Truth Social, and I'm going to read for you word for word what he has posted pertaining to the Clarity Act. Michael Selig with the CFTC reposted it. I went to Truth Social to make sure that it was legit. This is legit, people. Listen up. The president is right. The Clarity Act must pass. It's critical that we have a future-proof digital asset market structure in place. The CFTC is eager to implement the act under this historic administration. President Trump is unleashing a golden age in America, and this legislation is a key part of securing the U.S. as the global leader in innovation. The time to act is now. This came out today. President Donald J. Trump. The Genius Act is being threatened and undermined by the banks, and that is unacceptable. We are not going to allow it. The U.S. needs to get market structure done ASAP. Americans should earn more money on their money. The banks are hitting high record profits, and we are not going to allow them to undermine our powerful crypto agenda that will end up going to China and other countries if we don't get the Clarity Act taken care of. The Genius Act was the USA's first big step to make the United States the crypto capital of the world, and getting the Clarity Act done is the next step to finish the job and, most importantly, keep this big and powerful industry in our country. The banks should not be trying to undercut the Genius Act or hold the Clarity Act hostage. They need to make a good deal with the crypto industry because that's what's in the best interest of the American people. This industry cannot be taken from the people of America when it's so close to becoming truly successful. Thank you for your attention to this matter. President Donald J. Trump. People, did you just comprehend what I just said? We're all living in this world of digital assets and cryptocurrencies and market caps and tokenization and real world assets. Do you realize what is in the process of happening? Do you realize the value of your wallets and what is going to happen to the value of all of these use case cryptocurrencies in the very near future? Once we get this Clarity Act passed, once we get the banks to agree with the crypto companies, get the stablecoin garbage sorted out, you are going to be blown away at your portfolio. I'm not going to tell you when and how much it's going to be, but you are going to be blown away, people. This is official. This is going to happen this year. And you better get excited, because my name is James Rule XRP, and I told you so.